Hello friends, welcome to Supedium YouTube channel. Today Supedium will talk about 24 greatest online business ideas for beginners. Let's begin our main topic. Have you ever had one of those eureka moments in which you came up using a business idea but did not quite reach the stage? One thing about living in the electronic era is that we have opportunities for making money without becoming stuck in a routine. By way of instance, if you're a digital nomad, you can perform an online job, or launch an online business. There's room for everybody under the internet sunlight, but we need to get one thing right that is crucial: coming up with the ideal online business idea. By right, I mean the one which will work for the aspiring digital entrepreneur. I found myself, so I researched the very best online business ideas. In sharing the outcomes here, I hope to spare you the trouble of going through the entire procedure. Rather than combing through an array of websites that say the same thing without offering much material, you may use your precious time to prepare your online business and begin earning sooner. Best online business ideas to start. Here's a selection of online business ideas you can research to pick best. 1. Create a site and monetize it. You should intrigue in case you've got a knack for writing. It has become much easier to begin a blog. Select a topic and aim for content that's entertaining and enlightening. To put it differently, your site should hold its readers' attention but also offer information that educates. People will keep coming back. You can monetize your site something or leasing out space. The sky's the limit when you've got a blog. Some bloggers earn up to $1 since they put work into it. To secure a steady flow of visitors, you will need to write about something you're familiar or good at with. Readers can tell when they're currently reading material. 2. Become a site flipper. We're on the subject of blogs, allow me to tell you can flip them. It will be a numbers game if it's offline or online. Website flipping involves creating a site, building a following, and then selling it somebody who desires the numbers. Because you have the fan base, your site becomes valuable. What is good about this procedure is that it costs very little, but the payoff could be enormous. You may initially earn only $10 to $30 per month, but as soon as you get up your traffic, you might be pocketing $10,000 monthly or more. 3. Coaching on Skype. Welcome into the world. Is there something you can teach others and are good in? Well then, why don't you consider Skype? Things are taught by people today. Have health coaches, meditation teachers, to mention some ones that are trending. An hourly fee can be placed by you and get paid online. Naturally, you will need a Skype account to get started, in addition to an internet connection. It's ideal to have an accompanying site to host each of your services and a go-to platform where you can market them and provide people with additional details regarding your offerings. 4. Produce a digital course. The notion you're excellent at? Instead of giving face-to-face courses, you can pre-record classes that users can buy or subscribe to. This is a way of earning because it does not need you to be present and is replaceable. You may make 10 times greater than from Skype coaching and make hundreds of dollars each training session for those who have a great number of subscribers. To get started, you'll need a website to host your articles, downloadable files, PDF files, video streams, and everything else that goes with the program. 5. Become a YouTube vlogger. Research has demonstrated that movie is a firm favorite of the online community. When you want entertainment or want instructions for something, you search for videos. That is, being a vlogger has become one of the most prosperous online business ideas in the previous decade. Hosting your videos on YouTube includes you in the YouTube network, where advertisers pay loads of cash to get eyeballs. This gig can replace. A YouTuber who got his start at age 4 was able to make nearly $20 million in his first year. 6. Launch a podcast. This is starting a podcast, and the radio is a really good online business idea. It is another way to construct a following, and just like in traditional radio, you can sell advertisement space on your apps to advertisers trying to advertise their products or services. It can become a job that produces income when this becomes a regular thing. 7. Try graphic design. Not everyone can learn, although everybody can be natural at design. You will need to put some time into creating. Many companies prefer to outsource design work. What you will need to do is construct a portfolio that is credible so that potential clients can see exactly what you could do. Graphic designers can make from $5 to up to $1,000 per bid. 8. Sell email and networking kit templates. A lot of companies find it a burden to reach their audience through email campaigns. This is an appealing thing, is you could come up with just a couple templates but market them as possible. This is just another business where you will need some design talent in addition to tech knowledge, but after you're able to get beyond this, creating templates should be simple and even enjoyable. One way to build your customer base up is to maximize your exposure. Use online ads and social media to market your templates. 9. Design and sell website topics. Not businesses but many men and women want to construct their websites but face the challenge of having to design them. Topics come to the rescue. You're able to help people by creating website themes and uploading them to visited databases. You may make anything from $19 to $200 based on how popular and well rated your theme is. To attract users and get downloads, you want to upgrade your theme to add functionalities which make the website easier to get, for instance. 10. Sell online stock photographs. If you have an aptitude for photography, you should capitalize on it. A good deal of platforms sell stock photos, and you may make up to $200 per image. The more you submit, the greater the probability of having your photo. One superior suggestion is to think that companies will want to have on their websites or offline materials. That is where the most money can be made by you. 11. Do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online small business idea that never goes out of fashion. This system involves getting commissions by promoting other people's products. There are two ways to become an affiliate marketer. The first is currently promoting products online, making in commissions. The second is currently becoming an Amazon partner. As the name implies, you may promote products sold on Amazon. Find out how to build a material best and you might have to read up on SEO's fundamentals. 12. Build niche sites. This is among those online business ideas which will get once you can zero in on your target audience you a loyal following. The fantastic thing is that you don't need to be worried about trying to find your audience, construct the website and they'll come. Make sure that you supply content that they want to see. On top of your usual earnings, a niche website can add a lot. It's quite easy to construct, but to get over 5 to 6 amounts is hard and challenging. It will be made by just a few. 13. Set up an e-commerce website. Another classic is the website. Apart from selling what you're an expert on, you can read up on what is trending or could trend and research whether it is viable to market it online. 14. Sell products on eBay. eBay is your when it comes to online sales. It is simple to turn your unwanted goods. This is a fantastic spot to find things and relics that people cannot get in any shop that is walk-in. Since sales are bid-based, it is possible to make a lot more than you targeted as people want to purchase your item. 15. Get into dropshipping. Dropshipping is an idea, but it is an effective online business idea. It involves getting a product reseller, collecting a commission for each sale. As you don't have to buy anything, this is a fantastic business model. Medium recommend probably the best place to begin with is Shopify. It is cheap and easy for beginners also. 16. Self-publish a book on Amazon. This man knows his craft inside out and is smart. It was to write down, pack it and sell it online. Decades later, orders are received by him. Of expert at something. If you're not proficient at writing, you might need to employ someone to ghostwrite it. Here's some great news: if you can sell a couple of hundred books within the first week of launching, Amazon will market your work as a bestseller. Get some friends or individuals in your circle as soon as you outline. When you launch the book, price it at 99 cents and run it on websites like Robin Reads. This is among the best times for those who have a mailing list. You could earn up to $10,000 from copies priced at 99 cents throughout the initial wave of launching. 17. Become a copywriter. This is an online small business idea that does not involve any niche abilities. After that, you earn and can work at your own pace. The thing is that many online freelancer programs have heaps of copywriting jobs. Themes and industries vary, so you have loads of choices. As soon as you've assembled your portfolio and proven your abilities, money can be charged by you. Copywriters in amazing demand can make up to $2,500 for a 500-word article. 18. Do technical writing. Writing can be rewarding with content. You won't lack work if you're proficient in a technical or a scientific discipline, and you will make a great deal of money. Because they recognize that people can write about such topics in a credible way, clients pay. You may research resume or cover letter writing. This is a marketing task in which market and you get to condense one person on one page. Check out Freelancer and Upwork for job offers in this niche. 19. Perform research. Another thing you can do on freelancing sites and Upwork is to research products about to start. Additionally, it pays more, although this is a job. To get one research task coupled with a report and recommendations, you can bill from $300 to $1,500. When a suggestion is submitted by you, try to send in a portfolio or some sample work to assist an employer picture how you will do the job. 20. Become a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is simple to accomplish. All you need is a fantastic internet connection and abilities. You'll have tasks like communicating, proofreading, sending emails, and carrying out. 21. Provide tech support. One online business idea is supplying support. Most companies outsource the service. It can take the kind of voice calls, emails, or chat service. Whichever it is, you're provided with tools and training materials. Take a look at Upwork for various tech support jobs out there. 22. Assist with direct generation. If you're good at sales, this could be ideal for you. It functions like sales commissions. You may use different online procedures to help your customers get prospects and market their products or services. Like affiliate marketing, this idea has excellent earnings potential. Generation jobs are found on freelancer websites. 23. Offer SEO consulting services. If your skills lie in electronic and advertising, you can provide SEO services. A good deal of companies considers this mandatory when they set up their websites. When you establish your and your customer base, you can charge by the hour and give consultations packed to maximize people's websites. 24. Participate in online advertising. This online business idea can be accomplished in a variety of forms, such as social media advertising, Facebook or Instagram, and Google Ads, or PPC, as entrepreneurs usually call it. You are buying the very best properties to put your customers' ads to ensure maximum exposure. It matching the product to the target market, discovering where that industry is, and coming up to catch it. For ads, the standard profit model is 10% to 15% of their ads budget. In the case of social media, it is normally a retainer based on the hours. Conclusion. Many procedures to select from, there's sure to be an online business idea for you. The good thing is that they all offer the advantage of working from doing and earning money. Thank you for listening and enjoy your wonderful money earning journey in the future.